My name is Kariman, and this is my presentation on market recognition. I chose the company Caesars Entertainment as they are in the same industry as my capstone project, the casino and entertainment industry. From their site, Caesars is the most geographically diversified casino entertainment company. Since their beginning in Reno, Nevada, more than 77 years ago, Caesars has grown through development of new resorts, expansions, and acquisitions, and now operates casinos on 3 continents. Their resorts operate primarily under the Caesars, Harrah's, and Horseshoe brand names. Caesars is focused on building loyalty and value with its guests through a unique combination of great service, excellent products, unsurpassed distribution, operational excellence, and technological leadership. Caesars is committed to corporate citizenship and being a responsible steward of the environment. As for correlation, in looking at the stock market, it is important to look at several indicators that can assist with the stock price. The first of those being earnings per share, or EPS. This is, referenced by OSC, the amount each share would get if a company paid out all of its profits to shareholders. This is calculated by dividing the company's total profit by the number of shares. Along with this is the price to earnings ratio, relating the earnings of a company and its stock price. Price to book value ratio references the value a company has in financial books rather than day-to-day estimates. Lower PB is typically better as you're paying less for more value. Dividend yield is another that measures return on a dividend and a percentage of a stock. Even further, whale tracks are integral to follow because you are looking at how the whales, or big buyers and spenders, buy their stocks and emulate that, as you're able to find a decent payoff. Here you're able to see a bit of whale tracks around July 23rd and 24th that consumers would be able to buy at roughly 11.7 and sell at that 11.8. This is nothing like the whale tracks of bigger companies, and it wouldn't necessarily be something to jump out of bed for, but it would be an investment when learning and trying to find a safe way to start investing in this company through the stock market. After looking through different tools such as NASDAQ, MSN, money and routers, as well as historical data, I am confident in my recommendations about Caesars Entertainment Corporation stocks. I referenced 40 days of recent data to create Bollinger Bands that allow me to see trends that have better value. Finding the mean of each closing day, as well as the standard deviation of those amounts, gave me the information I needed to create the both upper and lower bands. This allowed me to create a report that highlights that data. My current recommendation is to hold at the moment. If you take a look at the average shown over the last 40 days, it has been a gradual increase. This is a positive trend when looking at stock market variances. Positive is a good thing when looking to make decisions based on stocks. However, it is also important to look at the time of year as well as other factors. At the moment, my recommendation is to hold stocks, as there could be big changes through August and the back-to-school/fall season. Selling could be risky as there is opportunity to grow, however, either way it will boost during the holiday months again. As for buying, I don't think now is the best time for this decision as there are lower prices at different seasons and we're going into a larger market at the moment. I created this chart to show the growth that I've estimated over the next few seasons based on historical data as well as commonly known knowledge and research knowledge about the casino industry. Currently, I see the stock price going down just slightly for the next few months before jumping again for the holidays. The holidays do give a big jump as many do travel and visit casinos for vacations and other getaways. A similar reason as I believe the spring months bring visitors. This is typically when children have breaks or there are breaks in workloads for many companies. The months in between are lower as they are business months as well as in-school months for adults with children, these of which are common for many casino visitors. I do see positive changes in the future, but however, the data does not lie, and it does show that there are lower months and higher months based on the seasonal references. Thank you.